Welcome to the episode number of 4 Trending Amazon Merch Niches. My name is Kayur and in this video, I will gonna share 4th of July niches and sub niches. This episode is gonna be very simple and valuable, so subscribe it and get back to the work. Niche number 1 is USA flag design. If you can see, BSR is pretty low, 17,000, 200,000. 700,000. And if we can see this big foot with firecrackers, this design sold 800 times in past month, and this design is only 1 year old. And if we can see another some of designs, the bears in USA flags, a golf cart, a dinosaur, a baseball, a dog. So try to cross niche with hobbies, games, the animals, anything you can create with something new. Also a food, a taco in USA flag design. Check out the another one. A horse in USA flag design. So get some ideas from here and create your own design with USA flag. This might will help you to get some sales. Moving on. Also I found one t-shirt with cross knitted with 3 things. Bigfoot, dinosaur and USA flag. So get some idea and try to recreate and cross niche with some more and more designs. Look at the BSR, it's 700,000 and it's also created in this month. This is the latest design. So if you can see, the potential is here. Niche number 2 is beer. Sub niche of 4th of July. People like to drink beer and enjoy 4th of July with family and friends. Check out some design. The cat with beer and firecrackers. The BSR is 18,000. Trump and USA President. Cross niche with 4th of July trends. I personally avoid Trump design. That get rejection and drop down a lot. But it's quite popular and trending. Check out this new design. Bad day to be a beer. This design is uploaded in this month, June 11, 2024. This latest design is start getting sales and BSR is 500,000. So get some idea from here too. Also tips for you, if you don't aware, drinking shirt it gets organic sales only. It's have a ban to run ads on alcoholic design. So you can see there is quite potential for organic sales. Niche number 3 is firework. This is the most selling t-shirt. Also all USA people gonna go watch fireworks. So why not grab a shirt and enjoy? If you can see, design lion in USA flag colors feel like AI design is getting some sales. Happy 4th of July. 600,000 BSR and again a big foot. Just here to bank is kinda couple design. If I can remember. There is a phrase, I like how she explored or something. This is a couple design. A mini design with firework director. So you can notice what people are interested to buy. A color scheme for this design style is red, white and blue. And if we can check on Amazon 4th of July crew, you can create and scale this design with like cousin crew. Also all American Dad. The BSR is 100,000. 4th of July crew. 4th of July 2024. Adding 2024 might get you some sales. 4th of July family celebration. The BSR is 400,000. The dinosaur. BSR is 28,000. Most of the tea I can see is graphics and sunglasses and firecrackers in American flag. A hot dog tea with BSR is 37,000. So yeah. Moving on. And last, as always, special niche for you is barbecue. Barbecue is quite popular in summer. It's also have a National Barbecue Week from 4th of July to July 10th. So people like to spend time together and barbecue with family and friends. So you can create some matching shirts for barbecue. And let's look at some design. It's 225 degrees somewhere. The BSR is very low. I smoke meat. The grill. That's what I do. I grill and I know thing. The BSR is 200,000. Also some retro based design. If you can notice, there is a lot retro based designs in barbecue. Design have a retro style and funny phrase seems to do really well in barbecue niches. So yeah, start working.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for daily new trending niches finds. I will gonna make videos more valuable day by day. Subscribe and we meet again.